actually are in the store.
In the corner. Like the building man cave, you know.
What is this from? The mimosas? How much more do you have to drink so I can get it for $10? It's nice back here, man. I've never been back here before.
How y'all doing?
Good, good. How are you?
All right, man.
Oh, you got a chair sitting out here, nice and relaxed.
Yeah, it's for sale too. Yeah, everything is.
All right.
There's stuff in the garage. All are welcome to walk through
Okay.
the garage, man. It's nice out there. I get to shoot my bow and a little bit of my fire or whatever. Exactly. You can go through. I was going to set all that. That's all Dell Earnhardt stuff. You can go through it, whatever. I got old. Let's see. They're plates. This all like the building man cave, you know.
Yeah. Does he like this?
These old plates in here.
Yeah, where would
nice dress
I don't
shirts,
know. These are worth.
Yeah.
I was looking at.
Where were any more of these ones?
A piece. You can look them up real quick. They got them yesterday, man. They went through. I'll set some of this stuff out.
Oh, you had it yesterday too.
Yeah, this was a lot of my mom and dad stuff, man. They passed, and
it's okay that.
And they left this place, and I'm trying to go through it and see if we're gonna put a home on it, you know. But it's these things. Man, do y'all remember when this was out years and years? That one's a little cracked on the back.
Gotcha.
If you want it, you can almost have it for nothing. But you know, I'm just trying to get rid of this stuff.
I gotcha. This is here, Dad.
Pretty neat.
This is for you.
That's really cool there.
Yeah.
It's a little gas pump. Here.
Yeah.
It's your style. Man, I used to love these commercials. One of the great, best marketing ever.
know.
You know what I'm saying?
Budweiser. Budweiser.
You know what I'm saying?
I know.
Do you have any more shirts like this at all?
Yeah, there's Affliction down here.
Okay.
I think he's looking for dress
No, I
shirts.
was looking at the Affliction shirts.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
these are
These are
almost
cool.
brand new
Okay,
too,
cool.
man.
Yeah, he's got a lot of nice shirts.
What are you asking for the shirts?
About $2 a piece,
Okay.
man.
Yeah, that's fair. I'll do
And then
$2.
This is this one.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Let's see.
Another one?
Y'all have,
They might be another one. That's
Yeah.
a fight shirt.
Yeah, American
from
Fighter.
Affliction, yeah.
It's American Fighter.
yeah.
Athletics.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to work in the MMA industry, so
Did
that's
you?
yeah.
Oh my God, man. Yeah, are you from this area?
I'm originally from Pennsylvania, but I've lived down here for a while now.
Real?
Well, I was a director of marketing for the company. I used to train myself and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But we signed a TV contract with Mark Cuban's HD Net, which turned out to be Access TV. So
Yeah.
I went on tour.
Holy shit,
yeah, so
man.
like went on tour through like the southeast, and then I flew over to Europe. We did a show over in Europe and stuff. It was fun,
What
man.
about Joe Rogan? Did you ever bump into him?
Yeah, I met Joe Rogan
Holy shit, dude.
in Nashville.
Yeah.
How much are the shoes?
About $3, man.
$3? I think I can do $3.
Well, I didn't.
They're a good.
Yeah, they're a good brand.
Yeah.
Yeah, both of them.
But they're
Is that okay or?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
whatever you.
It's like
Gotcha.
$3.
Okay, I'll give you $3 for it. I'm gonna put a pile right here.
That's fine. Go ahead. Start following it up.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at it.
Are you from this area?
Is that Stutzy?
Living here?
It is.
Oh, you're down with, okay.
Look at that.
Because I'm looking for somebody to help me redo these.
Sir, did you say I can look in here?
Yes,
Okay.
You can go all through there.
All right, perfect. What do we got in here? Let's see here.
Let me open this other door.
Okay. There's a VHS in here. It says Cowboy. Oh my gosh, goodness.
Yeah, the stove here is pretty much almost brand new. It was
Okay.
really never used. That's a double recliner.
Yeah, not really interested in furniture at this current moment.
Yeah, mostly everything else is just like personal,
Gotcha. Okay.
you know.
There's VH. Am I able to? It's taped shut. The VHS boxes. Am I able to look through those, or is that personal stuff?
No.
Okay.
No.
I want to take the tape off and see. I collect old VHS tapes. Oh man. I was gonna hit it big with some sealed. Yeah, they're cool.
You can find them.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
they're
can
super
find
cool.
them.
See, you're back in my time where all the fighters, I like them fighters. Then now I really got out of a lot of it because of
These pieces here,
Mm-hmm.
and this stuff like right here, and then like that blue stuff, and there's
Yeah.
a couple China dogs that are a little bit more expensive. But
How much is like something like that?
$1.
$1. Okay. As you guys may know from watching the channel, I don't know much about glass. I do know this is a swung base. I don't think it's worth much, maybe 15 to 30 bucks, somewhere in that ballpark, but I just got to do more research on it. What are you getting here?
I'm getting these so far,
okay.
so don't touch it.
You get, what are you getting?
No, he wants to take the license plate
Man,
and
y'all
the
can
gas
tell.
pump.
Oh, okay.
y'all can tell y'all are from Jersey, man.
He's too busy talking. I'm over here getting all the good stuff. So, yeah, go ahead, keep talking. I think I'm ready to cash out then.
Okay.
Okay, that one I want 3 for because
Okay,
it's a
yeah.
Mishka.
Yeah, that's
So
fine.
3.
Yep.
And then what'd you say on this? What did you?
2.
Okay,
Said
yeah,
2.
you said the shirts. Okay, so that's
Just a 2.
5,
So 5.
7,
You might want to look
9,
in there, but I think your son would have
11,
scoped it out pretty good.
13,
I always tell them,
and this stuff's not for sale. 13,
Yeah.
and he said
I know what
5.
you're talking
No, he said 3 for those.
Okay, 13, so 16,
Uh-huh.
and then
Like,
what did I tell you on
Yep,
this?
out of
3? Was it 3?
stuff.
If it was 3 or 5.
Yeah.
Shoes
I'll
are
do-
5.
Okay, so we were at. Well, shit.
That's
Now I forgot.
That's no, it's fine. 3, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13.
So 10, 13.
13. That's what 16. That's what 5. That's 21.
Right.
And that was, I thought you said 2, but I mean,
Okay,
you
that's
could be,
fine.
oh, actually, I thought it was, I
That's-
think it was 3. I think it
That's
was.
fine.
So 24.
Yeah.
Oh, and 25.
Okay.
25 bucks.
Here, let me wrap this up.
Oh, yeah. Did I have a mug? Oh, yeah, I had a mug, too. I don't know what, sorry about that. I forgot about that.
Okay, we were at 25, right?
25, yes, ma'am.
Glenn, what do you want for the mud?
The mug, $5.
Oh, hold on a minute. I think it's cracked.
One's chipped.
Yeah.
No, actually, this one's busted, too.
Okay, $2.
Name- I'll pass on it.
Okay.
Man, that was super cool, too. I was pumped for that. I'll just put the shoes back. That's all. I'll just give 20. That's fine. I'll put the Nikes back. Yeah. Monster hat for $1.
boy, they were high over there. Those pins, $10 for those.
Then I'll start reaching those damn triple digits.
How you guys doing today? Good, good. What is this from?
That was a costume.
Everything's negotiable.
Yeah, I put it on the other day and the dogs freaked out. I'm like, all right, I might save it. If it doesn't sell, I might use it, you know, when they're being...
When they're being bad. I'll give you $5 for the Brooks.
Okay. Thank
There you go. Thank you, guys. Man, look at this jazz. So, do you teach?
I did, yeah.
I was like, you had to, having this much jazz.
Oh yeah. I used to teach and then I used to work at a jazz radio station.
Okay, this makes total sense. What kind of skateboard is this?
That's a land yacht.
How much you ask on that?
$10.
$10. This is where I messed up. I should have bought this skateboard. These actually sell anywhere from like 50 to like $100 used, and they only wanted $10. I wasn't trying to buy anything big that day, so I decided to leave it behind, but now I regret it. Morning. The mimosas? Look at you, look at this.
Hey,
This is the best yard sale ever.
the more we drink, the lower the prices get.
Start chugging, all right?
We have been.
Oh, I love it. I
You
absolutely
see something and you don't like the price,
love it. Make you have another drink, right?
give us a good.
Come back 10 minutes later, right? These are cute. These are interesting.
Those were my mother's from the 40s. It's, see what they are?
Okay.
Yeah. And I've held on to them long enough. Now,
That's still hard to
You wanna make me an
take
offer?
though.
How much more do you have to drink so I can get them for $10?
I love it.
Gotta fill each of those up.
It is done.
It's done? You drink enough so I get it for 10 bucks?
Here.
All right, I'll give you 10 bucks for them. Just for the fact that. See what else you got here first. Hold on here.
Taking advantage of a draw. Way to go, dude.
Oh, jeez.
Way to go. No, I'm kidding you. You know I am.
I would say it won't be the first time, won't be the last time, but I want to incriminate myself, right? So I got to ask, what time did you guys start today at? Your mimosas.
Well, first we had coffee.
Oh, there we go.
And then we had some quiche. And then we
Okay.
said, mimosa time. Right now.
That's great.
I'm
That's
gonna put each one, and then I'm gonna put both of them in a bag. Okay, because I don't want you to put together, you know.
I'll do this one. I don't know how much you had to drink, all right?
Come on.
I'm just giving you a hard time. Thank
I'm
you.
gonna get some old socks and put in it.
Nah, we're-
Now take those.
I'm good. I got stuff in my
Okay.
truck. Appreciate though. Thank you guys so much.
Have a good day.
Yeah, good. You guys are definitely the most fun yard sale so far. So it's a big sale. Morning. How much are the jerseys?
They're individual price.
If they don't have a price on them,
I'll grab my brother-in-law. If they're not, just pull it out.
No, he went, that's right.
You went that
He
way?
went up the street.
Oh, okay. $8 for this? Pardon? $8? No, it's $8.
40 on that one. It's a Michael Vick jersey.
That's not even an average. Oh, what best do they? On the side of it, so if somebody would, yeah. Felice? It's $1.50. How much you need that? That's not mine, that's my sister's. Felice? Hi. You look 50 cents? I'm sorry. No, they're $1.50 a piece.
No, see that. This is cool.
Yeah, you know how much they are in the store.
In the corner of
$3 a piece
Barbie
in the store.
I'll try one. I'll buy one.
Yeah.
I'm buying and trying.
Yeah.
What?
Barbie purse. Little one.
Yeah.
They're better when they're cold. They don't have to be cold, but they're better. I'm cold. Okay.
Can I make a pile
Yes.
somewhere?
Right there.
All right.
Chiefs and these are Chiefs. I thought the Miami Dolphins. Miami Dolphins. I see the Miami Dolphins. Oh, that's a
All right, I'll cash out with you.
Thank you.
12 bucks.
I think they're all puppies. Yeah.
Yeah, Tatiana. 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 Yep. All right. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Good math.
I did graduate. It only took me 10 years, all right?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, I didn't see all that stuff. That stuff for sale too there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we just haven't put it out yet.
How much is a Florida State cow? I just can't see from here.
Say 40. 40?
Yeah.
I'm 40 up. I'll pass on that. Thank you, though. Any unopened cards at all? Any wax?
The only thing, I have this 89 set. It's
Is
a
that-
complete set. It's
Oh, you got the Griffey.
It's got the Griffey.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
What do you have on that?
75.
95. How much is that Forever Collectible bobblehead right there? Is that the Mike Schmidt?
25, yeah.
That's it? Would you guys do 20 for it?
Sure.
Okay.
Real much.
I feel like I'm in everyone's way.
Nah, it's all good.
Who's that? Your bobble.
I don't know.
Russell Westbrook. What? I'm a Philly guy, so I like to see the Philly stuff.
Okay.
Like Schmidt. $20.
All right, thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Look at the tires. Car haven't been driven.
You do the work yourself?
No.
No.
It's still not finished. Oh, my brother and I just looking at what we're gonna put here already. We already know what we're gonna put the tank here. It's got a tank, but we're just gonna take it for
That's awesome.
for the AC.
How's it run?
It's like a like a 383 stroker.
Car is beautiful, man.
I'm still gonna do the fiberglass hood and leave the side open.
Let's be honest, those ladies were living their best life. When I'm their age, I hope I lived the same life like that. They were having so much fun at that yard sale, just pounding mimosas and having a blast. You know, that's what yard sales is all about having fun, meeting, interacting with people, having a good time. If you guys know anything about jazz CDs, let me know in the comments down below. Did I mess up not doing a deep dive into those CDs? It was a community sale. I didn't want to waste a lot of time there. Most of the time, CDs aren't going to get me a lot of value unless I know what I'm looking for. If it was like hip hop or like metal or rock, I would have spent some time there, but I know nothing about jazz. So let me know in the comments down below. Did I mess up or was it a good pass there? You wanted a $1 CD. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I had a blast picking and punching. But do me a huge favor. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It really does help out this channel. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.